Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys, but what we'll be doing actually will apply to Lincoln MKX first generation as well, guys. We will show you how to remove and replace front interior door handle. The door handle that you open the door, guys. On the front side, we'll demonstrate on the front left, front right will be the same way. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including the generation, guys, Ford Edge, will be making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money, okay, on car parts, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get what place we use to get all our parts and tools from, and usually we get them for a really good price. This is a 2009 Ford Edge, but as I said, it will work on Lincoln MKX because they share the same platform. Now I'm talking about this interior door handle, guys, right here. Stay with us and we will show you guys what needs to be done to remove and replace it now. So now, guys, we need to get a small screwdriver, and right here there is one cap that we'll need to actually pry open. Under that cap there is one screw, guys, with a Phillips head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove that screw. Okay, you can see it got loose. Now don't drop the screw, guys. Okay, right there, perfect. What else we need to do, guys? We need to get a plastic panel removal tool, and we need to try, okay, to actually pry that thing out. Okay, it's coming out, you can see, just like that. Now we have to disconnect, guys, okay, the wires. Okay, that is for the door lock switch, central locking switch. Right here you press in and pull it out. Okay, you can see just like that. Now, guys, the interior door handle, I think we'll be able to remove it without removing the door panel. We're going to check that now. From what it seems, the top end needs to go forward. Okay, you just grab it and push it forward, guys, and it should, okay, come out. Just the top end, not the bottom, just the top only, guys. So okay, you can see it's getting in there. So let's see if we'll be able to, okay, pry that thing. I wonder if we can get a screwdriver right here without damaging the door panel or a plastic panel too, guys, something like that, and just, okay, you can see it comes out, guys. Okay, comes out there. Then what we need to do, we need to lift it up, guys. We need to lift it up, and now we come out of here, guys. Okay, now there is a spring, guys. You can see there is a spring. So the correct way will be to remove the door panel, okay, to remove it and install it. Otherwise, I don't think we'll be able to, guys, because later you might have problems, okay, reconnecting your cable as well. Plus you don't want to, guys, damage that cable. So what we'll do, guys, okay, we'll go ahead, okay, we'll go ahead, remove the door panel, guys, and we'll continue and show you how to do it the correct way. So make sure you stay with us until the end. So with that, okay, that cover out of the way, now we can continue, guys. We'll need to remove, okay, first the window switch, guys. Okay, the whole window switch will need to be disconnected right here. We'll show you guys. This is the first thing, because most of the people will think that the window switch, you remove it with the door panel. On this one you have to actually take it apart, guys, yourself. Okay, it does get stuck a little bit here and there sometimes. Okay, perfect. You can see because all the wiring harness is there, guys, and we need to disconnect the wiring harness now before we continue. Press in, disconnect one by one there as well. One here, perfect, and this one comes out. What else, guys, we need to do? Okay, we need to get, okay, a 732 socket, guys, and right here there is another bolt hidden in the handle. Okay, you can see where it is. Then, guys, we need to go ahead and remove, okay, we have, okay, we might need to get a shorter screwdriver. I don't know if this one will fit. Let's see. We have one screw right there with a Phillips head screwdriver. It is coming out. Okay, so that's great. one on the bottom. Okay, this one is coming loose as well. Perfect. Now guys, we have underneath a few as well, you can see. Right there too. Quite a few guys screws. I like that design. I mean, it's not pretty, but it holds the door panel in place really, really good. And I just noticed that Ford here, guys, check it out, even didn't paint their door all the way out of the factory. That's crazy. Okay, Torx 20, start looking bit on this one. It's not a Phillips screwdriver, that's a Torx 20, start looking bin. And now guys, we need to grab that door panel. Okay, pull it out, then go up, come out, and let's see if we have anything else holding. Nothing, guys. Let me show you where all the clips are located now. Only 2 clips, 1, 2 clips here, one on top here, guys, and I don't see more. I think this is all, guys. So let us show you now, guys. Okay, we removed the door panel. Now we can actually get to the problem here, guys, because otherwise you can damage things. So better do it the correct way. Now right here we need to disconnect, okay, the cable here, guys. So you can see these 2 teeth, you need to squish them towards each other. Okay, and when you do that, you pull the cable out. Now the handle, you can see how it goes here. Okay, it comes out like that. Then, okay, it comes in an angle. The spring is right there, guys. Okay, and you get it out. This is the locking cable now. The door handle release cable, guys. And later, when you install it, okay, it's super important, okay, to get that spring attached there. We'll show you how to do that in just a second. Let's do that now. Now guys, when you're ready to install, go ahead and install the cable first. Okay, the release cable. Perfect. Now that spring, guys, okay, it needs to go towards the back. Okay. Let me see now, it's not there. Okay, we need to go a little bit more on the spring here. Almost hit it, guys. So spring, okay, will come out. Right there. Okay, now we have to gently get the bottom end first. Okay, and now get the top one. Okay, lock it in place. Okay, now we need to install the cable here. And we are ready to go, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.